Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important current affairs. So let it go. India's UNSC campaign. What happened? India is actively campaigning for a permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council. And why is it important? A permanent seat would give India a stronger role in global peace and security decisions. So exam fact. The UNSC has permanent members with veto power like USA, Russia, China, France and the UK. And second, Parliament monsoon session. What happened? The monsoon session of Parliament is held to discuss important bills, policies and national issues. Why is it important? Many new laws are introduced and debated during this session. To exam fact, the Indian Parliament has Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And 3. G20. What happened? The G20 brings together the world major economies to discuss global challenges. Why is it important? Topics include inflation, trade, climate change and economic growth. Exam fact. The G20 represents about 85% of global GDP. And 4. BRICS. What happened? BRICS countries meet to strengthen economic and political cooperation. Why is it important? It promotes trade and gives emerging economies a stronger global voice. Exam fact. BRICS was originally formed by Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Quad. What happened? The Quad countries regularly hold meetings on regional security and cooperation. Why is it important? It supports a free and open Indo-Pacific region. Exam fact. Quad members are NEET, USA, Japan and Australia. And 6. SCO. What happened? The Shanghai Cooperation Organization works on security and economic cooperation. Why is it important? It helps member countries fight terrorism and improve regional stability. The exam fact. India a full member of the SCO in 2017. United Nations UN. What happened? The UN continues to work on peace, humanitarian aid and sustainable development. Why is it important? It is the world's largest international organization. Exam fact. The United Nations was established on 24 October 1945. Who? WHO. What happened? The World Health Organization coordinates international public health efforts. Why is it important? It helps countries respond to disease outbreaks and health emergencies. Exam fact. WHO headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. And 9. IMF. What happened? The IMF monitors the global economy and provides financial support to member countries. Why is it important? It helps countries facing economic and financial crisis. Exam fact. The IMF was established in 1944. World Bank. What happened? The World Bank provides loans and technical assistance for development projects. Why is it important? It supports infrastructure, education, healthcare and poverty reduction. Exam fact. The World Bank headquarters is in Washington, D.C., USA. So thank you everyone, all of you.